Hey, what is up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with a review today. But before we get into it, hey, you know what to do. If you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video. Everything in this video will be linked down in the description below, down there. Um, let's get into it. We got a review today. We've got the Kunwu Django. All right, I've had this was my first Kunwu actually. I've had this for a long while now, a long time, and I don't know how many I have now, but I'm finally getting around doing the review for it because it needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? Uh, so what do we got here? All right, let's check out the materials. We got this beautifully, Kunlu. They got beautiful texturing on their titanium. Get rid of the little hangnail. Uh, yeah, you didn't think you're gonna see me do a little grooming on this video, did you? Well, it happened. Um, yeah, beautiful diamond textured uh, titanium. We got crossbar lock, obviously, as you can see, reversible pocket clip. Pocket clip is, I think it is a little, and I think it is a little stiff, but it does work. Non-captive pivot. Of course, you get a lanyard hole for those that want it. Sandwich construction. We got a back spacer. Yeah, I know. Let's whip it open. Boom, because that's what everybody wants to see. And we've got this wicked clip point uh, LMAX DLC. It's a polished DLC blade. It's a polished DLC LMAX clip point. There we go. Uh, it's pretty cool looking. Kunwu does a great job with their. Mine's a little cloudy because dirty. But they do a great job with their polished DLC, in my opinion. Let's give it a little. There we go. Super great. We've got some jimping here. Nice usable jimping on the back of the spine here. Great choke up forward choil here. Feels great in the hand. Pocket clip does not, can't feel it. Can't feel it at all. I never where I bear down on it. Action is great. Runs on bearings. The crossbar lock. Can we get this? So the studs for it, we'll call it studs. Yeah. Come on, focus here. They stick up quite a bit. Quite prominent. You got some nice jimping on there. Of course, you got the whole deployment. You can reverse flick that thing all day. I struggle with the thumb flick on this one. If it was out a little more, I think I would get it, but I don't really thumb flick hold these anyway. So it's all about that reverse flick. You can slow roll it as well. Yeah. It does have milled, can you see in there, milled stainless steel liners in there. A little weight reduction. Just a wicked sharp blade. Yeah. Centering's been spot on. Haven't touched this. So let's get into it. Oh gosh, hiding over here. What's the hardware like, huh? When assembling or disassembling knife, it is always recommended that you have decent torque bits. Reduce the chance of stripping, especially smaller bits. Weehaw is very recommendable, and they are linked down below. Close this guy up. I believe, remember correctly, it's T8. It's all our way around. T8 body, pocket clip. Yep. And pivot. Yep. Even no. T6 for the thumb stud, if you're gonna go that far. Yep. So that's good. I like that. Obviously, the well, not obviously. Maybe some people don't know, but the smaller torque screw, the higher chance of stripping you got. So the bigger, the better, for the most part. Length. To lengthen this guy. Or Stanley. Stanley. Some stuff around. We're going tip to butt. 7.75 inches, right? Blade is 3 1/4, but the cutting edge is, call it 3 because it's generous forward choil. All right, hey, Rick, what's this like compared to some other commonly carried knives? Well, hey, funny you should say, because I got a few right here, and if you watch the channel, you know what they're gonna be because they're always the same. We got a pair of 3 Spedico paramilitary 2, somewhere right in the middle there. If we go on pivot to pivot, how about Benchmade bug out? Whoa, failed that. Benchmade bug out. There we go. Or a Benchmade reptilian. Right in between there. And last but not least, let's go up a sort of a Kaiser drop pair. And my favorite Kaiser, the Milita. Boom. Looking good. Also with the polished TLC. And a matter of fact, let's do a little comparison. Can we get a little? In my eye, I already put my finger on it. So that's the one negative about, well, yeah, in my opinion, that's the one negative about polished DLC. It's a fingerprint magnet, but if you're unfamiliar with DLC is, it is a diamond like carbon coating. So it is very scratch resistant and very attractive. Oh man, I don't know, man. They're both pretty good. What I'm looking at is for like if one's cloudier than the other. Actually, I don't know if I can tell a difference, honestly. But my eyesight's bad, so that's why I wear glasses. What's the thickness on this guy? Okay, so Alto, we'll go height. So it's not a bad carry. It's not as tall or as proud as a Spyderco. A little bigger than the drop bear. Width though, she is thick because those very proud thumb studs. But the scales, which had very nice chamfering, I guess, and I didn't mention that earlier. Nice chamfering on the all around. It's about the same thickness as this pair of 3, minus those. Did they ever catch my pocket or anything? No, I've never noticed them in my pocket, the thumb studs, at all. No. What's the weight on it? 4.7 ounces. It is kind of heavy. for the size, but nothing to write home about, nothing that's gonna. Yeah, it's definitely the lightest out of all the ones I just showed, or the heaviest out of all the ones I just showed, even the bigger ones like the PM2. That's because it's got stainless steel in it. Price. What's the price on these guys? So these are made in China. These so they do come in different flavors. You can get these in G10 carbon fiber and titanium. Some sort of like G10s 190. That's a pretty awesome price. It's not going to have the DLC blade, but the titaniums are usually about 240 to 250. They also have an XL version as well. So a little bigger version that came out after I got this. So if you think that's, hey, I like that, but that might be a little too small for my liking, they got a bigger one now. So that's exciting. I haven't had that one. All right, so let's get into the kind of the talk about it. What do I like about this? I think one, I like Kunwu, right? Kunwu is a great company, in my opinion. I think they make quality knives, in my opinion. I think they're priced pretty fair. I think 250 for something like this is, yeah. I really don't have an issue with that price. For the titanium polished DLC, great action. Kind of nitpicks. Some of my nitpicks, and they are literally just nitpicks. I'm not a huge fan of the crossbar locks. That's how I got like into the knife game. But my since I've gone through my knife journey, uh, yeah, crossbar locks aren't my favorite. So that is what it is. I much prefer Kunwu's. Like this is the only crossbar lock I have in a Kunwu. All the other ones are frame locks. So that's one on, and then I wish captive pivot, because I've tried to adjust this, and I can move it a little bit, but like these little symbols or whatever they are off drives me nuts. So a captive pivot would have been nice. But that's it, man. That's really it. It's a pretty awesome knife. I would recommend it. Someone's like, hey, I'm looking to get into a $250 crossbar lock. I want to look nice and have some texturing. And I was like, have you checked out the Kunwu Django? I would recommend this knife. It's an awesome knife. So I will be putting it in my recommendable list. That's what I got for that video. Okay, that's all I got. Hey, subscribers, new and old, I appreciate you all. Channels, I don't know where we're at. We're over at like 760 some subs, and honestly, I didn't think 100 would listen to me ramble on about knives. But hey, I appreciate you, every one of you. Love interacting with everybody in the community, and I'm continue to be doing it. And yeah, I can't say it enough. Can't say enough. What I also can't say enough is, hey, if you're still with us and you're not subscribed to the channel, consider doing that. Consider liking the video. Hey, leave a comment down below in the description. Tell me your thoughts on the Kunwu Django. If you got one, if you hate it, if you love it, I want to know it all. Tell me. You can also follow me at Rick's Knives over on Instagram. Easiest way to get a hold of me. and there's lots of pictures of knives, right? Because that's what we do on Instagram. Other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day.